And I tell you, I love hitting these city streets at 9:30 on a Saturday morning when they're not as busy. It's a different aesthetic, though. You know, I like riding out in the woods. Not like the woods. I mean, it's a street bike. Probably ain't gonna get too far on a bumpy trail. But I like having like the greenery, the trees, and all that other stuff. And then you got this guy going against the lights. You got a no crosswalk, dude. But being around like all these tall, giant buildings, you know, it just kind of makes you feel small. Like I'm just a little speck on a giant rock flying through space. It's a totally different feeling and a totally different experience, and I think I like it better. I think I do. It makes my brain happy, you know? Because you're having to like scan all the time. I mean, you have to do that like out in the back roads and stuff too, but there you're looking for, you know, not as many vehicles. You're mainly looking for like animals and road hazards and stuff like that. And you gotta look for that here too, but you gotta look for all these giant cars. And it gives my brain something to do. I dig it. And also, I like cruising down Hillsborough Street here specifically for one main reason. There's the NC State campus is down here. And I like cruising through here on my Honda Shadow chopper bobber thing so that all the college kids will think I'm cool. So at least somebody does, I think. Hopefully, maybe. I don't know. Not that I really give a crap anyway. Like, there's some ladies over there. Do you think they're impressed? They didn't look impressed. I don't think they care. But it's just a different feel, you know? And that's kind of one of the things I like about riding bikes, is there's just so many different things you can do on them. Everybody likes a different style. Not only motorcycle, but different riding style. And it's just a good time. Then, with all these traffic circles, I got to work on my, not only situational awareness, but my curves. My slow speed maneuvers. That and the bike exhaust kind of echoes off these buildings too, which is pretty cool. I imagine this is kind of what like riding in a canyon feels like. But other than like watching out for threats and whatnot, it's relatively low stress. But that's also why I do this at like early in the morning on the weekends instead of like middle of the day. But there is a limit though, you know, if there's too much traffic, then it's just a little too overstimulating for the old brain noodle, the old meat computer. And that also ups like all the risks. Like, you're gonna yield, right, buddy? There you go. Because nobody pays attention. They were paying attention, but a lot of times people don't. You see them playing on their phones, or they're worried about what they're doing. Ain't worried about nobody else. But I'm a big fan of riding regardless of where it is. But I'd be curious to know what you guys prefer. Do you guys like cruising country back roads? Do you guys like taking big old highway trips? Some city cruising stuff?